Hello, wonderful bakers. Are you ready for a slice of pure joy? Today, we're diving into a recipe that's truly out of this world, our heavenly coconut chocolate chip cake. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's guaranteed to bring a smile to your face. This cake brings together the irresistible duo of rich chocolate and sweet, flaky coconut. We're talking about a moist, tender crumb studded with melty chocolate chips and infused with tropical goodness. Every bite is a little escape. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create this masterpiece. Just a few common ingredients and straightforward steps stand between you and cake perfection. No complicated techniques, just pure baking fun. Imagine the aroma filling your kitchen as this golden beauty bakes. That warm, comforting scent is just the beginning of the magic. It's a truly delightful experience from start to finish. Once cooled, each slice reveals a symphony of textures and flavors. The tender cake, the bursts of chocolate, and the subtle chew of coconut create an unforgettable treat. It's pure bliss in every mouthful. So, gather your ingredients and get ready to bake something truly special. This heavenly coconut chocolate chip cake is perfect for any occasion, or just because you deserve a little sweetness. You absolutely have to try this one.